Alright, here we go. Another one. Alright. Just got out of work. Long week. Long day. So, just as an update compared to the last shipment that I received, unlike the other one, this one was not opened by customers. So, the other one, the ES that I bought, basically this whole part had been cut off all around, and they pulled the entire headstock component off, and I guess you checked to see if it had infringed on, intellectual property and whatnot. So I won't even mention any names, but we all know what and who. So and it didn't. It had my own custom logo on it, so I'm not trying to pass it off as something that it's not. That's not what I'm about. Alright, so I guess this is the moment of truth. Damn. The other one didn't have a lid this thick. So let's see if maybe I could. It has a really thick lid. Wow. Boy, does it stink. You can smell the paint. Alright. So here we go. Oh, I'm excited. Let me just get up. Get up now, get on up. Alright, look at this bad boy. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Way better than my guitar. And for those of you that don't know, wow. Wow, wow, wee wow. My brother's gonna be so excited. You know, the knobs don't look so bad. Wow. This thing is pretty gorgeous looking, man. Wow. Really nice. Paint job is way better than mine. My ES style. I don't know. Jonathan, you be the judge. Oh, I see something that I don't like. Ah, so much for that. Yeah. So Jonathan, you tell me about your horn, what you feel. Oh, let me move up the camera. Alright. Looks nice though. I mean, I just see some defect that I don't like, but nonetheless, it is what it is. So I'm looking at it here. Something with the paint, it's a little bit of like, just doesn't look nice. Then here on the horn, you can see that right here you have a little bit with the binding. It's just like the color's off, or the staining of the wood is just off. So one neck piece, so like And over here by the binding, you have some, it's like an indentation. I guess it's where the body meets the fretboard, the neck. It's just like a dimple indentation. I don't know if I can catch the reflection. That's gonna be tough. Anyway. But other than that, you know, everything looks really good. Like, back is nice. Wood grain is nice. Like, you know, you can't complain. Like, this looks nice. Feels nice and heavy. Like, doesn't feel light like my others. I don't know, they did a bang up job. They did a great job with this one. Headstock. Yeah. Just bring it back. So. Oh, I guess I can't do that. Wait, let me check the back of the neck. No serial number, none of that nonsense. Don't want any problem with anyone. It's got these wannabe Grover tuners, but they look nice. They look alright. But nonetheless, headstock, this is what it says. My brother's name, Emmanuel. So this is a gift to him. And it's awesome. You know? Just give me a better look at everything. Once again, my only problems or the defects are, you know, right here. I think I got it on camera. Yeah, it's right here. No, right here. Right there. You see that dimpling right there? That'll be my only real issues. And then here, like a little bit of where the horn is. So let me bring it back. You know, the staining is a little off right here. It's like the stain was just off. Like, I don't even know what to say about it, but it's just off. But not bad. Not bad. Alright, so at this rate, I don't know if I could come up with a video showing you how it sounds. I don't have any of my amps set up or anything. I have like a pocket amps that I just plug in and play with my headphones. Because all of my equipment is away in storage, so unless I hit up a studio or something like that, I won't really be able to show you guys what these things sound like. But yeah, I guess when I do swap out the pickups, I might put some Tone Writer Alnico 2s on them. If not, then I was thinking about getting Cali Alnico 2s, which are the equivalent to the PAF humbuckers. And the ones that I installed on my ES are outstanding. I love them. It's phenomenal. They sound great. And I don't see why not, you know, putting it in on these. Might just do that. So that's it for this unboxing. Have fun, guys.